So now this one's a little bit more complicated here, and the reason why is because we've also got the product rule here. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to take the derivative of everything first, and so it might be easier just to say that this is like h of x, and this would be like my g of x, just, for the first one's sake. So I know that f prime of x has to be equal to the first one times the derivative of the second one plus the second one times the derivative of the first one. And so if I'm looking just specifically at g of x, I'm also going to have to do the chain rule in here. And so when I take and I find g prime of x, I'm going to get 3 times 2x minus 9 to the second power. And then remember, we got a little baby in here, so we have to take the derivative of that, which is equal to 2. So I like to call in that u, 2x minus 9, and then my du is equal to 2. So that's going to be multiplied by some 2 there. So I'm just going to rewrite g prime of x is equal to 6 times 2x minus 9 squared. So now all I have to do is kind of just take my pieces and go for it. So f prime of x is equal to h of x, well that's just x. And then g prime of x, well I've got that over here. So it's 6 times my 2x minus 9, that quantity squared, plus g of x, which is 2x minus 9 cubed, and then my h prime of x, well, derivative of x is just 1. And so I would strongly suggest just leaving this as is. No need to simplify any further unless you were doing multiple choice and needed to go one step further. But this is perfectly acceptable to leave it just like that. So here's another one. This is the quotient rule. And so we have to go ahead and we have to use that when we take the derivative of these. So the quotient rule is on the inside this time, and so that's going to make kind of a big deal here. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and just start taking the derivative for this one. So y prime is equal to, and then now I've got the 4 times my original here, 2x minus 3, all of this over x cubed plus 1, and then that's raised to the third power. And so the inside, this is my baby here, so if I had u is equal to 2x minus 3 over x cubed plus 1, I need to find du. Well, this is the same as saying it's low, d high, which is 2, minus high, d low, which ends up being 3x squared. And this is all over that x plus 1, this quantity squared. X cubed plus 1, sorry. X cubed plus 1, that quantity squared. So now I have to multiply it by this du. So I might as well just start writing here where I've got this x cubed plus 1 times the 2. So you can leave it just as is, minus 2x minus 3 times 3x squared. All of this piece is over that x cubed plus 1 squared. And this is going to be my entire derivative of this one right here. So you can go ahead, you could simplify that if you really needed to, but I would suggest leaving it like that so you don't make mistakes in simplification.